In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build an automated habit tracker in Notion, step by step, so you never have to manually log your daily routines again. Notion is an incredibly flexible workspace that can handle everything from project management to personal journaling, and by creating your own habit tracker, you turn a blank page into a powerful accountability system that runs itself. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. To begin, open Notion and create a new page. You can do this by clicking the Add a Page option in the left sidebar, or by using the keyboard shortcut Command on a Mac or Control on Windows. Title this page Habit Tracker so it's easy to find later. Once you have a blank page in front of you, type a / followed by the word Table directly onto the canvas. A drop-down menu will appear, and you want to select Table Inline from the list. This creates a database right inside your page rather than opening a separate window. After you click that, a small pop-up will appear. Look for the button that says Download New Database on the right side of that pop-up and click it. This action converts your simple table into a full Notion database, which gives you access to powerful features like templates, filters, and automations. A database is essentially a smart spreadsheet where each row is a new entry and each column is a property that stores a specific type of information like text, dates, or checkboxes. Now that you have your new database, it's time to configure the columns for tracking your habits. By default, Notion names the first column Name. Click on that column header and to Date. This column will hold the date for each day's entry. To add your habits, find the plus button to the right of your date column and click it. A menu will slide out asking you to choose a property type. Select Checkshots from the list. Checkboxes are perfect for habits because they give you a simple, satisfying click each time you complete a task. Name this new checkbox column after your first habit. For example, you might call it Exercise, Read, or Meditate. Once you've typed the name, click Done or press Enter. Repeat this exact process for every habit you want to track. Add a checkbox column for each one, and be sure to label them clearly. A common pitfall here is making the habit names too vague or too long. Keep them short and action-oriented, like walk, journal, or no sugar, so they're easy to scan at a glance. You can always add or remove columns later as your routines change, so don't stress about getting it perfect from the start. Now let's move to the step that saves you the most time, automating new daily entries. Instead of typing the date and creating a fresh row every morning, you'll set Notion to do it for you. Look at the top right of your database for the blue New button. To the right of that button is a small blue down arrow. Click that arrow and a drop-down will appear. Select New Template from the menu. A new window will open where you can design your daily checklist template. Title this template New Day. Inside the template, you'll see the same columns you created earlier. Click on the date property and set it to today by typing the word today or selecting it from the date picker. When you do this, Notion will automatically insert the current date every time you use the template. Leave all the habit checkboxes empty since you want to fill them out as you complete each activity. Once you've set the date property, click out of the template window or press Escape to save it. Now go back and click that same blue down arrow next to the New button again. You'll see your New Day template listed. Hover over it, and 3 dots will appear to the right. Click those 3 dots and select Repeat. A menu will pop up asking how often you want this entry to be created. Change the frequency to every day. Then, pick a preferred morning time, say 6 a.m. or 7 a.m., so the entry is ready for you when you wake up. Click Save. From that moment on, Notion will generate a fresh row for today with the correct date already filled in every single morning at your chosen time. You don't have to lift a finger. Once you've set up the repeat, take a moment to check that it's working. Go back to your database and you should see a new row representing today with the date populated. If you want to add a little extra motivation, you can also create a template that includes a daily quote or a small gratitude prompt at the top of the page. Just remember that the template only applies to new entries created through the button or the repeat, not to rows you manually add. One common mistake is forgetting to set the date property inside the template to today. If you skip that step, the automation will still create a new row, but the date will be blank, which defeats the purpose. Double-check that step and you'll be set. You've now built a fully automated habit tracker in Notion that creates a fresh checklist for you every single day. The real benefit here is that you eliminate the friction of starting from scratch each morning, which makes it far more likely you'll actually use the tracker and stick to your routines. As a next step, consider adding a formula column to calculate your weekly or monthly completion rate, or create a linked database view, so you can see your progress side by side with a calendar. If you ever need to revisit these steps, feel free to save this video or bookmark it for later. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.